Every time I hear the soul, every time I hear the soul,
clear out, justice in the building.
Every time I hear the soul, every time I hear the soul,
original justice man, champion sound.
Every time I hear the soul, every time I hear the soul.
I'm gonna say justice, and no say justice, justice.
Every time I hear the soul, every time I hear the soul.
Justice, them dead when we bust this.
Every time I hear the soul, every time I hear the soul, the justice soul. Every time I hear the soul, every time I hear the soul, the justice soul. This is very unusual, you know.
I scripture, and it shall give thee the Eden for thine origins, and the other must spark of the earth of thy possession. Justice shall rule them with a rod of iron, and break it to pieces like a potter's vessel. Hey, yeah. Jacksonville, myself, this is Lucius, the messenger, check it out. Justice will climb any mountain and swing the deepest sea, just to kill some sound and make selector spark and flee. High. It should take it so long for sound to back and go home. When will they learn that it's the justice and get burned? Just justice shall kill them all when he gets its turn. We never lose, cause it's the right of faith we use. And blow some sound boys fuse and run them out of town. Justice never lose, it's the Father's road we choose. The sound may come around. Justice will wait.
Listen. True justice another law. True tin pan sound you better go. Sure. Them a sing true cockatoo another law. Oh yeah. True tin pan sound leave and go.
Justice is the number one sound. Justice. Sound boy, you're joking. Your amplifier smoking. We gonna dust your little sound tonight.
Original justice man.
Don't want
sound.
no dibby sound when justice is around. You all are come around. Well, but oh, if you could see, yeah, the change justice made in we. If a dippy sound one contest, they'll find that we are the best. From east, north, south, and west, justice are the best. Yeah.
Reggae ambassador. Justice the reggae ambassador. Justice the reggae ambassador. Them run things out. Justice the reggae ambassador. Trust me, listen. Them play it fast and them play it slow. They take the music everywhere they go. I want the whole wide world to know. Justice the reggae ambassador. That's right. Justice the reggae ambassador.
Kill them with positive vibes. Progressive sound was try. It's nothing but cultural style. Just tell me. Ooh, I go hold it back. Justice sound you done bust. Just tell me. Progressive sound must try. Kill them with positive vibes. Progressive sound must try. It's nothing but cultural style. Just tell me. Ooh, I go hold it back. Justice sound you done bust. Just tell me. Ooh, I go hold it back, hold it back. Justice sound you done, boss. Hold it for son, boy, you talk about them, boss. Boss! I must see J.O.S. boss. Hold it for son, boy, you talk about them, boss. Boss! I must see their mini boss. Hold it for son, boy, you talk about them, boss. Boss! I must see party pan boss. Hold it for sound fool, I talk about them, boss. Boss! I must see balloon boss, tell me. Ooh, I go hold it back, hold it back.
Champion sound, play it up on my sound, man. A great sound, a big sound, a bad sound. The sound called justice, the sound called justice, great. Hear me now. Mama, justice and slaughterer. Lord, Papa, a Roman don't be charged for. Hear me now. Sound for them, now you know it all same no lead. Don't shout about something on sound boy, it sound for them. Now you know it all same no lead. And don't play it about some lad. Bible you know you don't never hear when justice sound said. I'm gonna pass the borderline and then stand to the little Buddha. Like a half of Buddha heavy like lead. Not a dry biscuit, neither dry bread. With the left no big gun them and the own no bed a coulda. Be them a plea, or a beg them a go beg. Dance a competition, the place a run red. Listen every word that the road boy said sound fit dead. Make them know in a sense on dead. Sound shot about something or something.
Burn Kremlin, burn out the White House, burn out Pentagon, repatriation to that. Burn out them bomb buckler. Rise up with no gun and justice on a champion. Reload gangsters and Batman. Rise up with no gun and justice on a champion. What? It's for you to make the best in life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your God, it's alright. Justice sound, tell them now. Some people read and meditate, others move continue. Some people are conscious about life, others are pumping you. Some people are cognac champagne, I'm from the young. Babies love ice cream cake, I'm come to be young. All the verbs and God's good words, roots of a shanty young. Cause I'm going to school, and I mean spanking young. Yet we all need education, it's the damn thing young. Hey, justice tell them, rise up with the gun and justice on that champion. Reload gangsters and bad
I can't take a style, I'm sure you don't know style. Now one that name arms house, we know one that coat. Arms house, one that willy coat. Arms house, we know one that coat. Arms house, bomba clap. United we stand and divided we fall. No longer know themselves till them back against the wall. United we stand and divided. Yeah, this one is a big sound justice. You don't know the boy can't fuss this now, cuss this. Big team man around with bust this. Anyway, Mr. Juvenile, I know I can't take a style, I'm sure you don't know style. Now one that name arms house, we know one that coat. Arms house, one that willy coat. Arms house, we know one that coat. Arms house, bomba clap. United we stand and divided we fall. No longer know themselves till them back against the wall. United we stand and divided we fall. If them do justice, me say the whole of them, but it no right. Fit justice and step up in a life, and our next DB sound won't give him a fight. It no right. The juvenile a step up in a life, and our next selector boy want to give him a fight. It no right. The Cape and a step up in a life, and our next entertainer won't give him a fight. It no right. The Jamaican a step up in a life, and our next country want to give them a fight. In name arms house, we know one that boat. Arms house, one that really boat. Arms house, we know one that boat. Arms house,
justice man, champion sound.
Justice, them dead when we bust this.
We are
The Beat London
103.6 FM.
System Sundays.
Sound System Sundays. Yours truly Jais alongside K Special.
Choo choo choo.
And it's that time.
Me want to tell you say that time there. Yeah man, that time there. You don't know what they read me in your background. Yeah. You know what is about to go down, alright? We bring to you the baddest sounds. We make you know the baddest sounds around town in our world right now. And right now we have one of the when me say one of the baddest, me mean one of the baddest. See, no take no this, no take no farm attack. All the man you deal with is just justice. You understand? So right now we bring to you without no further delay, without no further ado, the big man himself, Juvenile.
Blessed love, man. Greetings, greetings.
Yes, King.
Blessed love, your eyes. You see it. England, big up on yourself. Honors, respect, you know.
Juvenile, I want to tell you, say this is a long anticipated interview, and when we push out in our media this week, say this Sunday is gonna be Justice Sound on the airways. Every sound man want lock in.
Yeah, man. Bless up the Sound Clash fraternity in the UK, England, and the surroundings. You know, big up all our sound man, there, man.
Yeah,
which
man.
is right.
Which is right.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's start like this. We know of Justice Sound. You know what I mean? We in a group with Justice Sound, and we know Justice Material. We're there in a Sound Clash world, and we know of Justice Sound and what they're capable of. For those who don't know Justice, just give them a small insight of where Justice come from and who Justice is.
Justice, the reward for good and the punishment for evil. It's a sound based out of Jacksonville, Florida, in the United States of America. Started out in 1994.
Yeah.
You see it, yeah, man.
So, you know what I ask you before we go back in that question then? Was you ever a DJ? Cause you're full
yeah,
up
man,
you're full up of talk.
You know. Go on, you know. We DJ, we sing, we doing all kind of things for jam and play the rhythm there where you're playing in the background, Far East.
Yeah.
Pull up. You hear it, you know. Got to kill a sound before 7:30. Why isn't the sound boy here to say goodbye? Time is running out, but justice waiting. Gonna kill a sound boy tonight. Oh yeah. That's our word, man.
Yeah, man, we can't tell, man, because the argument them
the music always a flow, you know.
Yeah, because the way you kill them with talk about you not even need no song, you just kill them with words, because you're rhyming tight.
Well, we just do the work, you know. We just do the work. We don't rehearse the work, we just do the work. You see?
Yeah, man,
definitely. The will adjust, it will be done. That's how we work, you know.
Definitely. So what's been happening with Justice Sound within the last couple of months and weeks? What have Justice up to?
Right now, well, we just chill. Well, you don't know. Jamaica Independence this weekend. Now it's a big up to all patriotic Jamaicans celebrating around the world. Tonight I'm at an event in Jacksonville, Florida. Me and Mixmaster Prince celebrating. Since King Addies, we just have regular events that we've been doing since King Addies. Because Justice is a sound that play every week in various clubs around town. Caribbean Choice, Ever Ready, and so on. You see it?
Mm-hmm. I was just gonna touch on that topic there, because that's one of my favorite clash for the year so far. Justice and King Addies. What's the latest on that? Is there any comeback talk, or is that one the late to rest now?
Well, you know, so I've been contacted by some promoter from New York.
Yes.
Saying that they want to keep return dance in New York, but they're not finished with the match yet. You see it?
Okay.
And but I think they're working on it right now. But you know, full failure, so we don't really want to talk too much about it. But I don't know why Addis would have want a return dance in New York. Far as how me see it, me kill Addis 2 times already, so Justice going to New York, that would be like Addis memorial. That's what I say.
Definitely. So the answer to that question is you will take the clash if the promoter do the maths and everything proper then.
Yeah, man, which is right. You don't know from a skill in justice willing. We never scared, never feared. You see what I say? We slow pagan night and day.
100%.
By the right hand, them dead. 10,000 by the left hand, them dead.
Justice for president!
Yeah, man, we're not afraid of war. No. We're not afraid of war, man. I know we name Saxon. I we name Justice, you know.
Which is right, because those who see the visual of the King Addies and the Justice clash will see that Juvenile is a man, he handled himself well. What was the main reason for the controversial on the night? Because there was only a thief in trying to go on King Addies' side. You feel like they were scared of the Justice?
Well, I feel like they were scared. I feel like they didn't really understand the crowd. But a thief always a thief. So a thief here and a thief there and a thief everywhere them go. You see what I say? I just for them think that. You see what I say? But you just say, yeah, deal with justice and certain games you not really to play. But give thanks for the glory, you know? Yeah, man, we give thanks for the glory, yes. All the thief, them still no prosper, you know?
Yeah, but one of the things that we need to bring up right now, because when you come on to style, Justice have that, you know. And when you come on to get them point across, you know, nobody does that better than Juvenile. When we want the people them understand right now, are the documentary bad.
Yeah.
The way the documentary edit up and the piece of the audio just chip in and Juvenile start deal with something bad.
What bring that idea to you? That documentary?
Well, remember, so with the youth, we've been marginalized by the so-called elites, you know. So it's like Justice. This is my first interview in London. Again, big up your eyes on 103. This is what I'm say. Not for people here about we, but for some reason, why I'm gonna know is like, say, they're not let we go. So, you know, we always been developing different ways and media outlets how to promote ourselves. Mm-hmm. And big up to the fans them worldwide who say yes, they want to be a supporter of righteousness and partake in the thing. So I say big up Empress Queen IB for having me here today. So, which is right. So, from long time, we've been victimized by, you don't know, look one, them not like call him name, because people say every time they call him name, fire come out of him nose, one where them call him chin now. It's like we always have to find other kind of ways to promote ourselves.
Yeah.
So, you know, the world want to hear my view, the world want to hear my point, and, you know, it is right. You know, every man's voice shall be heard, and every man have a right, you know, to express themselves. So we don't put out things out there and the public receive it and say, yes, justice, them like what go on.
Yeah,
definitely.
Yeah, is what it is. So I mean, I say,
most definitely.
We don't sugarcoat it, we not even like, even pretty it up, we just make it is what it is. You see it, keep it real, you know.
And that was gonna go into my next question. Do you feel it's? I was gonna say, you say people, they fight justice sound, which my granny always tell me, if people now fight, you know, do nothing. But
which is right.
Do you feel it's because of how you are? Cause everybody in that sound clash where I know said Juvenile is not a man you can just go in and feel like he might go frightened from out talk. So, cause you're not somebody that can easily push over and you're a hardcore juggling sound and killing sound, do you feel like that's where people start get little afraid and they want to stay away from justice?
Well, a coward always gonna be a coward. It's what me answer. Me can't help that. I am who I am. For some people, you know, the people who me war today, first them are enemy, then them are friendly. It's what me answer. Cause that is music. It's what me answer. Mm-hmm. But me not like start off knowing our sound on the friendly side. You know, good for business. That's what I say.
Yes.
Yeah, me like knowing our sound on the wild side. I like kill them. I just like kill our sound from first. So the first view of a sound when them know me is justice killing them. I'm not expect no man to like say them are dead. You see what I say? But when them can know justice and the fullness of justice, I always all of them say justice worldwide, man. Cause righteousness, you say, you know. Definitely. Any man has a righteousness, he not live. You see it?
Yeah. Justice for president.
You see it? You can't deny the youth and you can't deny the truth, which is right. Justice for president. In a president,
so
see the poor, you see it? Uplift, get a youth, musically.
Yeah, man.
So I want to give you a little history on how that clash come about then. That Justice song against King Addies. Because I know it have a little history going back. So I will give you a little history on how that whole thing come about.
Well, the history, alright. The dance started off in Tampa with King Addies playing BS Odyssey. Came up victorious that night. And you know Clash thing go. At the end of the night with the outside when Clash over everybody a chat. You know them kind of thing they go.
Yes.
I talk about dance alright. So me have my car now, me have to be entourage. Next thing we see Addies and one bugger man I walk past you I talk about. See Justice that we need to do something together. So in my mind I was shocked because Addies was just victorious of BS Odyssey.
Okay.
And me I say, why them a pre-justice so hard? So I just moved from the crowd where I was and step over to them and say, where you say, man? And the man say, yeah man, we need to do some things together. I said, well, that is Shines, one of Addies' manager, because Addies have enough manager, you know. Yeah, and then I say, Andrew Digital was right there. So I said, see, Andrew have my number, just link him up. Tuesday morning, on my phone that I ring off Shines. You see it? And then it was part one from there on.
You see it there?
That is how it starts.
You see, I don't know what's from a war still. We don't refuse war. You see it? The link is there. You see it?
Yeah. And there's enough, all who believe say I lie, there's enough audio out there where Juvenile attack it. Say, if he's killing, he's willing. As long as the months add up, you know?
Yeah, man, the thing have to add up, you know?
The thing have to add up. But one thing I want to know, which I done my history, I could be here all night on Justice history, but there's one particular something that stand out to me when I was doing my homework on Justice sound.
Yes, sir.
Because not many sounds can say they've done this, all right? And not many people will know about this that I'm going to say right now. But how did Justice end up in a quiet 1-for-1 dub with Stone Love, a song we don't even clash? You understand?
Yeah, look deep then.
Cause enough sound can say they clash some big sound, you know, and then go 1-for-1 with some big sound. Yeah, but not many sounds.
Real thing, man.
Not many sounds can say, yo, me play Stone Love 1-for-1. So how did that come about, Justice?
Well, Stone Love is a sound that I work with, you know, numerous times over the years in numerous locations.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, so working with them over the years, but as you say, it's hard to get in a class scene with Stone Love.
Yes, man.
It's very, very hard. Stone Love now play that, Power now play that. So any which way is, you know, one time I end up having a date with Stone Love in Jacksonville, Florida. We got the dance and the dance nice and thing and Ray and Bay. And so you know, saying at the night now, me tell it was Bill Cosby.
Yeah.
Yo, I need a dub-to-dub thing with Stone Love. You know. I want a shootout with you right now. The Stone Love now do them things there. I make another selector went ahead and play and reason with Cosby for a while and tell Cosby, say, yeah, man, I need a shootout. And I said, boy, Paul, now I'm play that cause for the marketing sound away there.
Yeah.
You see it. So I say, all right, here I go on. See, I look a piece of cheese here. You see it?
See it there?
So straight up, you see it? See, I look a tip here, you know?
Yeah.
It's enough power. This is for you. Push it on your pocket. Now look on it. You know the vibes?
Yeah.
We think the man I go push back the money.
Oh, you mean?
We think the man I go push back the money in my hand. The man say, here we go on and now Justice. Just turn off the mic and go and shoot here, man.
See it there? That's why. That's
why. When I walk out of the venue about 7:30 in the morning, see?
Yeah.
Here what go happen now. I didn't think we knew what we was doing at that time. When we even said that. So we started shoot everything. And the people, them did the security, one leave, police, one leave, one after the club promoter, everybody want leave, and it's all dead funny like we can't run out that tune. 7:30 we walk out of the building, my brother.
Mad.
I'm gonna tell the world right now, you can check out Sound System Sunday's Facebook page tomorrow, Monday. Zine, and the audio will be there, cause I'm not lying to you. You don't need for listening. It's a quiet clash.
Yeah,
all who know what a quiet clash is, yo, that clash is mad, no, man.
No. man, a real something. You just said we couldn't make it happen officially. As you said, Paul not really marketing sound. You know, the little what we get, we just give thanks to him. We answer big up, you know. Bill Cosby, big up Father Paul, Soul of Movement. You see?
Yeah, man.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, a question. Go on.
Go ahead.
No, a question I just always ask the song them when they touch in. Who you have on your list right now? Who you want a kill off of? Out in the song system world right now?
Well, enough for that for dead, you know. Enough people not see yet, you know. Enough of them, if it's a hide them, I hide me. Come here and say, then what? Them say them a big son, how me can't see them? You see it? So, I can't even get close to them. I don't know how I go. Enough for that for dead, man. Right now, we can't tell you, say straight. Soul Supreme for dead.
Okay.
Trooper for dead. Fire Links him for dead.
Okay.
Why all matter around him now? All matter around him same way. You see it?
All matter
kill him on the house same way. Kill him on the house. You know? For the hell of it. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. All about food place a couple contender over there for dead too, you know. Hide me, you know.
Well, this is a show.
Hide me there.
Go and talk, bossy. That show you can't talk the things, you know, man. But we know.
A long time I say Saxon for dead, and I hear some people, boy, justice, you know, reach this or yet, reach this or yet. Why me want to kill senior citizen? They say, me not clear. I'm music them play. Then man, they say, all right then. Want to love injection. I know me can't see him, you know. I hide him, you know. Nah, about them, about. A long time I try bring on my war campaign and reach England and them deny me same way, you know, my brother.
Yeah. So that's...
I want to know how the business will grow. If them not Lego the sound them and Lego the sound them who people have an interest in and who have a desire to uplift the game.
All right.
They still want to give you some same thing where people used to. And some things where nobody no want to see because they are playing on Monopoly. All the one when him tubbies, him can get a kick too, you know. Yeah, man, him can get a kick too, man. Yeah, man. Straight up, man. Is it? Yeah, man, so love injection, tubbies, but I hide and enough of them I protect them legacy.
Well, boy, sure if they're listening now, yeah, they know, well, alright. If I didn't know before, I know now justice, war, peace.
Yeah, but all when they know it's good, they know. But we want them know and take him an invitation and put on something.
I'm on it, man. Alright, here we go on now. You see, we are Sound Clash fans and justice fans. It's from this argument reach them ears. Right now, tubbies are love injection phone are ringing, you know. Justice sound of it dead in a war now deal with. Is it?
Yeah, the support of them are chain of the thing.
Sound Clash fans know the justice. We are keep it real. We want the business to grow. I will need the players to let it grow.
Yeah, to do their part.
You see it?
No, big man thing from the soundtrack group, Justice, I said that, I'm not lie. But on a personal note, the group, what the group the name again, Ice?
Which one was it? Sound for Dead?
Yeah, Sound for Dead. From them time there. So take it away from the media, from the radio station right now.
Around a Henry Sachs place, around a BYT and Dub Factory and all them.
Yeah, all BYT.
You know, we always say, I mean, when I first youth was say Saxon for dead, hear some people, treason. You see, you have to remind them that I'm an honorary Englishman and I can't do me nothing.
Alright, but. So now,
yeah, man, justice the president to the ever resident, man.
Why does it? You don't need no dub. You don't want no dub. Yeah? You just want a talker phone. Yeah, this what a talker phone on a stage, my boss. Everything dead. You don't want no dub.
Yeah, man, that way I say. Well, you did I say something back to the US now. When I tell me you say something about Soul Supreme, round this. What go on around this?
No, because right now...
I don't like how them a deal with Jakes, though. What go on with Jakes? Why?
I me didn't want to ask your opinion because to all me hear the audio and return the man them a deal with the man away. But what I want to ask you as a selector, because it was known, and this is not no propaganda we're spreading, because this come out of Jake's mouth. Jake say, if you talk to a dog them way there, not even the dog are going to come back to your yard. Yeah? But Jake's is still on the sound. Can you get any sense from that? What you say about that?
I mean, some man too bash co-worker them, especially when me and them not have no money making thing a go on and we not have no dealings. But morally, you know, look good, you know.
Right.
For real.
Morally and values, you know. If him not rate himself, me can't rate him. You see?
Definitely.
Yeah, him put himself, cause right now, if him say, boy, not in my dog, the way I look on it is like, say, How does he value himself? You see it? Really, how does he value himself? Him not value himself, me can't value him. I feel like he's more in need and a desperate level. That is the only reason.
Yeah,
you know?
That's the only thing that can explain that, really. Because if you can go public and
you
say...
worse than a crackhead level right now to me, you know.
You're not a big man thing.
But a big man level when the same thing gone, and even he recognize it. He recognize it. Or to anybody else, him recognize it. And personally, me couldn't work for no boss would talk to me them kind of way there.
Brother, more and tell yourself from the man start talk about all yard and picnic and mama and then sitting there. That's why everything.
How them part they dropping? How that dropping?
From this way gone. I'm sorry, boy.
Yeah, man, can't work for no people with them kind of mindset there. Justice, me say, you know what me say? Me say every man fi have something for themselves.
Yes.
Me say 2 man no play a sound again. You see what me say? Me say if you work for a boss man, you use that money that you get from that boss and that experience, and you build something for yourself. And that's why I say justice, you know, get a youth sound, you know. Anybody can help me play my sound, you know. And when me tired, I get a youth sound, and me play my sound. When I don't boss to talk to, I will not treat people in kind of way there. I don't want to be treated that kind of way.
That's right.
You know, good. Me not like it.
So I know how...
Some dot life.
Yes, man. So
all of them deserve a beating. Play a Peter touch to me there. Them have to get a beating. Yeah, man. I like them kind of lifestyle there, man. And the king music, you know.
Yeah.
The reggae music and the king music, you know.
So everybody, so right now nobody is safe on the justice radar. Nobody.
I'm not a big friend in the music, man. What do you man do me that? You know, good for the career, is it? I wish, you know, if you know me, you know, so we work with people. You see what I say?
Yeah, man, most definitely.
But it's like, I like when a man thinks them better than me, and me I think them better than them, and it's easily can be proven, you know?
No, man, justice are really good. Those who follow sound system and sound system culture and know the history of justice will know what justice is all about. It's like the sound name, that's all you want. In anything you do, just little justice. You know what I mean?
It's a reward for good man and the punishment for evil. You see what I say?
Yeah.
If you're right, man, you're going to get a ticket, man. If you're wrong, man, you get a spanking, man. It's simple, you know. Nothing hard about it.
Let's say it go. 1 and 1 and 2
the
and 2.
Bible tell about me, you know, it's a justice, judgment is the foundation after throne, you know. That's the truth. You ever see stole over in the Bible yet?
No. Okay.
You ever see Sack's name in the Bible yet?
No.
Justice, you know, easy.
Yeah, man, the Quran, man. The Quran, the Torah.
Yeah, just to see the for you.
know? Yeah, man, King Selassie, Marcus Garvey, Emmanuel Sisla, Capleton, Butcher Banton. Them speak of I, but still people want to lie me.
That general, you know.
So where can...
Yeah, man, 103, be blessed upon yourself, the beat, man. England, Lord, justice, Lord, we're proud, you see it?
So where could do right now for all the new supporters, them, you can give them your social media link so that they could link you. You understand?
What more they want no more than justice, so.
So justice on all social media platforms then, yeah?
Every platform, man, all them have to do is just type in justice sound in them phone, man.
Mad.
Yeah, man.
That's all them have to do is just type in justice sound.
And it's real.
You get you there.
Yeah.
You get you there. Nobody now live with no kind of way about lifestyle nowadays, and everybody know YouTube, everybody know SoundCloud, everybody know everything.
Yeah,
just type in justice sound.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I just saw the thing go.
Well, my brother, I was say blessings for the link up.
Mad move.
It's been long awaited. You understand?
London, man, bless up on yourself. You see what I say?
All right, and big up Queen Bee as well.
Lovers, them over there.
And big up to Queen Bee as well for the link, you know?
Blessed love Queen Bee. You see what I say? Queen Bee said justice, you know. As a warrior upon the battlefield, Queen Bee said justice, you know.
All right, brother.
Which is right. Which is right. Anyone with consciousness.
Yeah,
anybody with consciousness, I gotta say justice, you know. You cannot stand for injustice. How about that?
For real?
Do with that.
Yeah, man.
All that drop in.
Well, my brother.
All that drop
in. Well, my brother, blessings for the link.
Which is right, man.
Blessings for the link up and thing, and you know what I mean. Hope for you to have much more success going on in the future. You understand?
A prosperity will for everybody, man. Because God we are work for. And a righteousness in our heart. A love in our heart. So prosperity for me, prosperity for you, my brother. You see it?
All right.
I want love.
Yeah, man. Bless you.
Hold on it. England. Missing up of them a hope. Missing up of them a puff. Try to hold me fire. Will I bluff them a bluff. Tell them Rastafari. Always have the right stuff in the natural earth. Me want in a my cup. I'm the fire key. Let me light it up. The kettle jump. Babylon start to erupt. For so long they has been so corrupt. Judgment upon them dead. Hold on. I'm not what them do to Usain Bolt in Brazil. I'm here to rest in peace. Dr. Suebe. Them can't get me out. One love to my people. London, love for now. Justice for president.
Justice for president.
All
Big
right,
up justice.
Full of energy.
What, man? I tell you. So you've heard it there. That's where you heard it first. Justice sound. Right now, we're breaking barriers right now, cause once again, I first UK interview from one of the biggest songs on the scene right now.
One of the hardest working songs as well.
I'm big up to Justice, cause I'm not gonna lie to you. On the scene, in the groups and that, is the same way. How you heard him just now, he's the same way. Always fighting for justice musically, and always looking to better the sound justice. You know what I mean? So big up to Juvenile and the full team. Boy, I'm not lie, holy for sound and get called eyes. Don't worry, we're gonna get into that most definitely. You guys keep it right here. The Beat 103.6 FM.
The Beat London 103.6 FM.
The weekend up! Friday from 9 p.m. right here on The Beat London 103.6 FM. Silver Star Sound, we in the studio. My name is Randy.
And I'm Gussie, and you know you need to check out our show if you love your dancehall and reggae music. Party flavors on a Friday night. Make sure you check it out. 9 p.m. right here on The Beat London 103.6 FM.
Up, 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 up!
Have you ever thought about advertising on radio, online, and on social media?
Then you should advertise on The Beat London.
On The Beat London.
Beat London.
Where you can hear the hottest tracks,
the best presenters, get affordable rates,
and access your target market from one place.
You know what to do. Go on.
Call us now
on 008 963
9560.
Greetings. I am Sir Ghost, and I'd like you to join me each and every Sunday right here on The Beat London for the new Quiet Storm. Hashtag 9 months later, the best slow jam show on radio. Playing new school, old school, in between school. We have guest mixes, interviews, and the most important part of the show, your request. This is your show, your slow jam show with me, Sir Ghost, aka the Doctor of Love.
Don't say a word.
Greetings, Mikey Majestic.
Myself, Article ID.
We are in a Gold International.
Catch us every Wednesday
from 11 to 1 a.m.
on The Beat London 103.6.
Bringing you the best in reggae music from around the world.
The freshest new tunes from the hottest artists.
Plus brand new rhythms.
And you can't forget those old time classics.
Plus hard to call's pick of the week.
So you know what to do, people.
Keep it beat.
The Beat.
Playing the biggest trap songs.
The Beat.
Playing the biggest garage songs.
The Beat.
Playing the biggest R&B songs.
103.6.
Playing the biggest old school songs. Playing biggest grime songs.
Paintings on my WhatsApp and my iPhone too. The Beat London.
You're listening to The Beat London 103.6 FM.
Boy, I tell you. Now, in Soundclash fraternity, in the Soundclash world, we have to tick off a box. Cause that was a big interview. Yeah. Those that know about sound systems and Soundclash culture, they would agree that was a big interview.
And to be honest, he's one of the hardest working songs. Just a game to touch in and share the history.
Well, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm surprised we got half hour.
I know we would get that.
Oh, I thought it would be like when we had the Trinidad sound. 15-minute quick thing.
Quick thing.
Yeah, you know, Juvenile.
Justice enough to say, man. He always has something to say, so.
Well, boy, the man's done his homework. Because he's picked out sounds from around the world that, you know, if he picks off these sounds that he's calling, really and truly, that's like a heavyweight title that you've beat everybody.
Yeah, you're just going out at the big head.
Yeah, so I don't want no underdogs, just the heavyweights. So cheer them over here. Saxon. Who else did he say? King Tubbies.
And Love Injection. Yeah.
All big clashes, all big sounds.
If you could get 2 out of them 3.
Well, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Nice.
All right, let me put you in a situation.
I know one song will definitely clash him. Tubbies don't run from no clash, you know what I mean? Could a small clash, could a big clash, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
so I know one song that will take them on if it ever happen. Tubbies.
All right. Devil's advocate time now. If you could pick one of those dates, yeah, one of those dates could go ahead, but you could only pick one sound. One Justice. Out of the 3 sounds he's picked from the UK, which sound would it be?
I would say Tubbies, you know. The reason being, Love Injection, yeah, big song, but what you getting out of them right now? If you understand what I mean.
No, hey.
Yeah. Saxon, big song again, but
they're not current right now.
Yeah, and there's a lot of, I wouldn't say mix up, but for me, I think there's a little bit of politics behind the scene.
Okay, I'm with you.
You understand? So
due to being current in the streets,
yeah, and
being more up to the time,
to the fact as well that they will take any clash.
Yeah,
you know what I mean. There's some songs that we won't take that clash. No, you know what I mean. But Tubby said it.
But being a sound of Tubby's caliber and of how many years they've been around, I wouldn't really expect them to kind of back down from a war. Even though, you know, age is only a number, but they've got the experience, tune-wise as well. They should be able to hold themselves against the biggest of sounds. So confidence in the box should make them have that mentality. You know what? Anything. Just like Justice said, as long as the maths make sense,
we're
going on the battlefield. You know what I mean? Soul Supreme, King Addies, Tony Mataran,
Links,
Fire Links and Justice. I don't know how that will work out. I don't think any songs will get played, guys. 2 man will love talk. So I don't know, but that would be one hell of a clash. That I know. And boy, big up Mataran, you know. But nah, like when me first start playing music, Mataran I play Addies and then leave Addies and then go solo. Nah, like me was a Mataran fan. Still is a Mataran fan, but everybody does have the man on the hit list right now.
Right, for real.
You understand? So Mataran, you have to go dig up some of them all veteran dub the way we know you have.
Video and my old school dub them.
No video. That's where you need to cut out. Leave that alone. Zin? And go back in all Tony mentally ill style. You know what I mean? Cause when he was mentally ill.
Different.
Okay, wanna know. Right. So big up to all of my personal right now. Don't worry, I'm gonna get to you guys, cause you know every week as we have an interview, that always happen. We got the soul man then link up, so don't worry. You don't know the things there already. Watch out next week. We got a big surprise for you guys, but we're not gonna say nothing until you read the social media captions this week, alright? But make sure you keep it here, the Beat London 103.6 FM. Big up to all Sound Clash lovers, Sound Clash fans, and the Sound Clash fraternity. If you like your interviews and your sound knowledge, remember it's right here each and every Sunday, 9 to 11 with myself, K Special, and
your eyes.
You don't know it already. Sound System Sundays.
Yes, I. I must say party pan bus. What if I sound fool I talk about them bus? I must say balloon bus. Tell me ooh, I go hold it back. Hold it
Champion
back.
sound play love on my sound now. A great sound, a big sound, a bad sound. The sound called Justice, the sound called Justice Great. Hear me now.
Mama, justice and slaughterer. Lord, Papa, a Roman don't be charged for. Hear me now. Sound for them, now you know it all same no lead. Don't chant about something on sound boy, it sound for them. Now you know it all same no lead. And don't play it about some lad. Bible you know you don't never hear when justice sound said. I'm gonna pass it on the line and then stand to the little Buddha. Like a half of Buddha heavy like lead. Not a dry biscuit, neither dry bread. With the left no big gun them and the own no bed a coulda. Be them a plea, or a beg them a go beg. Dance a competition, the place a run red. Listen every word that the road boy said sound for dead. Make them know in a sense on dead. Sound shot about something or
yeah. Burn Kremlin, burn out the White House, burn out Pentagon, repatriation to what? Burn out them bomb buckler. Rise up on the
Every time I hear the soul, every time I hear the soul,
clear out, justice in the building.
Every time I hear the soul, every time I hear the soul,
original justice man, champion sound.
Every time I hear the soul, every time I hear the soul.
I'm gonna say justice, and no say justice, and no say justice.
Every time I hear the soul, every time I hear the soul.
Justice, them dead when we bust this.
Every time I hear the soul, every time I hear the soul, the justice soul. Every time I hear the soul, every time I hear the soul, the justice soul. This is very unusual, you know.
I scripture, and it shall give thee the Eden for thine inheritance, and the other spoils of the earth for thy possession. Justice shall rule them with a rod of iron, and break it to pieces like a potter's vessel. Hey, yeah. Jacksonville, myself, this is Lucian, the messenger, check it out. Justice will climb any mountain and swing the deepest sea, just to kill some sound and make selectors spark and flee. High. Is it taking so long for sound to back and go home? When will they learn that it's the justice and get burned? Judge justice shall kill them all when he gets his turn. We never lose, cause it's the right of faith we use. And blow some sound boys' views and run them out of town. Justice never lose, it's the Father's road we choose. The sounds may come around, justice will wait.
Listen, true injustice another law. True in tin pan sound, you better go. Sure. Them a sing true in cockatoo another law. Oh yeah. True in tin pan sound, leave and go.
Justice is the number one sound.
Trust me, listen. Them play it fast and them play it slow. They take the music everywhere they go. I want the whole wide world to know. Whoa, whoa, bookin. Justice the reggae ambassador. That's right. Whoa, whoa, bookin. Justice the reggae ambassador.
Kill them with positive vibes. Progressive sound must try. It's nothing but cultural style. Just tell me. Ooh, I go hold it back. Justice sound, you done bust. Just tell me. Progressive sound must try. Kill them with positive vibes. Progressive sound must try. It's nothing but cultural style. Just tell me. Ooh, I go hold it back. Justice sound, you done bust. Just tell me. Ooh, I go hold it back. Justice sound, you done bust. Hold it for son, boy, you talk about them boss. I must see JOS boss. Hold it for son, boy, you talk about them boss. I must see their mini bus. Only pass sound boy you talk about them bus.
Justice. Sound boy, you're joking. Your amplifier smoking. We gonna dust your little sound tonight.
Original justice, man.
Don't
Champion
want
sound.
no dibby sound when justice is around. You all are come around. Well, but oh, if you could see, yeah, the change justice made in we. If a dippy sound one contest, they'll find that we are the best. From east, north, south, and west, justice are the best. Yeah.
Reggae ambassador. Justice the reggae ambassador. Justice the reggae ambassador. Them run things out. Justice the reggae ambassador.